Today's video is featuring Khaos Motorsports. Our install from Khaos Motorsports. Quality product. It's got some weight to it. It's not flimsy. It's not some thin piece of metal. It is a very solid piece. The great thing about this product is that I'll have that track mode sound with the actuators all the way open. Well, my wife would complain her bones, feeling every bump in the road, transferring through the suspension, through the seats, and to your spine. So this will give you the sound that we're looking for without all the other sport mode or track mode additives that go along with it. Got great instructions, very detailed. So, just for a quick break, we got the driver's side done. We're going to take a break for lunch, and we're going to do the passenger side. Warm start before.